Hi there again and welcome to Unboxing Canada. So let's see, today we got a new iPhone, just came in, so let's open it and see. So basically it's an iPhone, what is it, iPhone here, you see the name here? Yeah, that's the name basically, and it's a 64 gigs. Let's see, I'll just open it and see what's surprise in the box itself. Using one hand, trying to open something is a wild idea. Alright, let's see what it is. Whoa, it looks beautiful, nice, amazing, cool. Hoo-hoo, with the two cameras there, wow. Alright, thank you guys. This is iPhone X64 and it's amazing, it's wonderful, space gray, 64 gigs. And yeah, thank you for watching. Please share the video, subscribe to our channel to get to know the new Unboxing Canada new items. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, share. Thanks.